Hi, here's how you can cancel your pending orders on Kotak Neo app. Click on the Orders section and select the Open Orders tab. Select the order you wish to cancel. If you wish to cancel multiple orders together, then long press on any order. By doing this, all your orders will be automatically selected. You can easily untick any order which you wish to unselect. Now, click on the Cancel button. A pop-up message will appear to confirm if you really want to cancel the order. Once cancelled, click on View Orders. Under the Closed Position tab, you can check your order summary by clicking on the strip under the Order Status drop-down. Simple. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, then please leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.